To another story that we are still following, investigators from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission are scrutinizing documents carted away from KEMSA as the probe into the bungled Global Fund mosquito net procurement continues. The EACC is also searching for the identity of the owners of the companies that won the bid despite not meeting the tender specifications. Brenda Wanga with an update on the 3.7 billion shillings tender scandal.
2 weeks after the purge at KEMSA and partly at the Ministry of Health's Malaria Department that saw the sacking of the PS for Health, the entire board of directors of KEMSA and the suspension of its CEO, investigations into the circumstances leading to the multi-million shillings scandal are getting into top gear.
This institution must be clean. We are going to uproot all the roots, all the evil spirits that have been planted in this institution. Nitazingoa.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission raided the KEMSA offices on Monday last week, cutting away files that they believe will shed light into the dealings that threatened to cost the country a 3.7 billion shillings insecticide-treated nets tender. EACC had sought from the Medical Supplies Agency a list of 18 crucial documents that would help them in their investigations. The documents, including procurement plans and approved budgets for the year 2022-2023, specific procurement plans for the nets, agency agreements between KEMSA and Global Fund, and all correspondences between KEMSA and Global Fund, the tender opening minutes and register, all bid documents submitted, minutes of tender evaluation committee, meetings and reports, letters of award to successful bidder and regret letters to those who were unsuccessful, and the letter of acceptance from the winning bidders. One of the company that was deemed successful in the bidding, Shobika Impex ownership, has been called into question with no details of its registration reflected on the data of the Registrar of Companies here in Kenya. But as investigations continue, questions abound as to the fate of those who were kicked out of office over the scandal. Aside from the suspensions and sacking, no arrests have been since made, with the EACC insisting that such action will be determined by the outcome of the ongoing probe. In the meantime, the Ministry of Health has since assured that the 10 million long-lasting insecticide-treated nets, whose procurement was bungled by KEMSA and has since moved back to the Global Fund's procurement wing, Wambo.net, will arrive in the country in time for the start of the mass distribution set for later in the year. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV, Nairobi.